Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume Ensure powder. To prepare a serving, first measure 6 fluid ounces of cold water into a glass. Next, add exactly 1/2 cup, which is about 4 scoops, of the Ensure powder. Stir the mixture thoroughly for about 30 seconds until the powder is completely dissolved. It's best to consume your prepared drink immediately to enjoy its full flavor and nutritional value. You can easily customize your Ensure drink for different tastes. For a thicker, colder beverage, try blending it with a few ice cubes to create a milkshake-like texture. If you need extra calories and protein, consider mixing the powder with milk instead of water. Adding a small amount of fruit, like a few berries, or a dash of flavorings, can also enhance your experience and provide variety. Proper storage ensures the quality and safety of your Ensure. Once prepared, any unused portion should be refrigerated and consumed within 24 hours. It's important to discard anything left after this period. For the unopened powder, store it in a cool, dry place at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Remember, do not freeze the prepared drink, as this can negatively affect its texture and taste. Before making significant dietary changes, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Ensure powder is designed as a supplemental source of nutrition and should not be considered a sole source of nutrition for extended periods. Always follow the specific instructions provided on the product label for optimal results and to ensure proper usage. It's a great way to supplement your diet, not replace full meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.